me, I'm Morgan, it's your girl Bianca Shanice, and we're back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? Have you ever felt like you want to switch up your look, your hair, or whatever? Let's say for like a day, a night, or maybe even a season. If so, me and Morgan, join me as I take out my lock bob today, and let's see if I can eat this look with my new color. And if that is something that you're interested in, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Y'all, it has actually been over a month and some days since I had this lock bob in. To be honest, I really could have kept it in a little bit longer. As y'all can see, it really doesn't look too bad. Right. Y'all agree. But y'all, the wait is over. I'm super excited to take it out, style it, and see what type of looks I can get with this new color. Mind y'all, I'll pop a picture of what my hair color was before, but I'm loving the black, okay? I know this takedown finna be fire. It's finna be fire, and I'm here for it. I love that for me. But to be honest, y'all, I will have to admit, styling my lock bob was a little challenging. I mean, I could like do it a little flip over to give it like a side part look, which is cute. It's cute. Or I could, well, I even say that, but let's see. Give y'all like a half up, half down moment. Like, I could have styled it half up, half down. Y'all, I kind of don't want to take it out, but we taking it out. Oh my God, I could really rock this a little bit longer. But that's really all I can get with styling this lock bob. But to be honest, I was fine with it because this was the look that I was going for, was a lock bob, because I normally really just have it down. I wanted to give a new look, a new perspective. I wanted to have that mysterious look, you know, I'm giving grown woman. But now that I'm looking at it, y'all, I really don't want to take it out. See, you gotta let it go. What else to say? Let it go. Gotta let it go. Actually, y'all, one of the best parts about my lock bob is my color. Like, I enjoy my lock bob with my hair being black. Like, I just got so tired of the color. I wanted something, you know, sleek. Y'all, be for real. Like, be like for real. Like, jet black locks, jet black on your hair just eats anyway. And then y'all, the compliments of my lock bob, oh my God, non-stop compliments, non-stop. To be honest, y'all, one person thought my locks was actually fake, thought I had extensions. Like, girl, be so for real. Be so for real. Sorry, I'm just messing. But yes, I will say this little process is time consuming, and I'm actually headed somewhere, and I'm on a little time crunch, honey. And then y'all remember, I did say you can style your lock bob with a middle part like I did, or you can have it going to the side, half up, half down, or you can even wear hats or wear scarves or headband. So that does give you a little extra breathing room to, you know, switch up your look with your lock bob. I do like that. And you know, sometimes you can add your little edge control, add your oil, mix a little bit of water. That's what really helped my upkeep too of my lock bob, is, you know, making sure I sleep with my bonnet on, oiling it, adding water to it, not neglecting it because I don't have to do nothing to it. At the end of the day, some people may not understand. Even myself sometimes, I be really wanting to give up on my lock journey. I really do. Like, I be over it because I be feeling limited at times. People don't be really understanding the maintenance and care that goes into having locks. Like, just because you get locks, it doesn't excuse us from, you know, still doing stuff to our hair. Yes, it is a low maintenance hairstyle, but low maintenance. It ain't no maintenance. It's, you know, low. And, you know, sometimes you get the thoughtless comments and the stares. I will say, like, out of my 4 years of having my locks, I do not really recall like any negative comments, to be honest. Like, I did have my granddaddy say something one time, but it's my granddaddy. It's no excuse because it's my granddaddy, but I'm like used to him. He gonna speak. You know how old people, they just speak their mind. But my hair was like, it was like that dark blue color, and you know how once the blue it start fading to that green, he was like, ugh, your hair looking like mold. I do not like that color. Then you got the people that want to touch your hair and like, bruh, back up. No, you need to ask. No, you just going in touching on your hair. Be real irritating at times. But I have learned with having my locks to be unapologetically, you know, me. Just ignore all the negativity. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm not gonna style it too much today. I'm just gonna let it do what it do. Y'all want no lint check. To here. But I'm just gonna keep it cute and simple. But I love it. I can't wait to really like actually style it, you know. But yeah. Despite all the challenges that locks get, I'm still here for it. I cannot wait to take my lock bob out. I'm so happy it's black. Like, I just love it. I can't wait to do a makeup look. 10 out of 10. It's gonna be 10 out of 10. Child, I got contacts in. I feel like my face just looks so bare, but we rocking a natural look today. And if you guys are thinking about trying the lock bob, do it. Do it. Less maintenance. You can dress the lock bob up or you can dress it down. It gives you a more mature look, if that makes sense. And plus you can get a whole completely new style after you take it out. Okay? A whole new style. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But that wraps up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Please comment some of your favorite lock styles. And please check out some of my lock videos, my lock journey. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? And that wraps up for today's video. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.